Yeah. Yeah.
Missing someone.
Hello my loves, how you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So today we are going to make fried liver. The ingredients are so in a sufuria, I'm going to put in some cooking oil and onion and let them simmer for a few minutes. I'm going to add in my washed liver, add in some water, and then I'm also going to add in my garlic. You can mash your garlic or just cut it in, cover it. So after the liver has boiled for like 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to add in my salt. Why I did this is because if you add in the salt too early, it could harden the liver. As the liver is cooking, I'm going to prepare the rest of the ingredients, that is the dhania, tomato, and the spices. But let's talk. Is it just me or the liver that we eat nowadays is too hard? Like, what are they giving cows? Growing up, we would wash liver, and the water that we wash the liver with is what the liver would boil with until the liver was done. But nowadays, if you try that stunt, you're going to need a saw to cut into that liver, or it's going to be hard and chewy, and it's just not going to be the way liver used to be kitambo. I think it's the way I don't know. Anyway. In this cup over here, I'm going to put in a little bit of every spice that I mentioned. That is 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of water, and then I'm going to show you where we're going to add it. Liver is all dried up, so now from this point we're going to cook under low heat. I'm going to let my liver brown for a little bit before I add in my tomatoes and my dhania or coriander. Listen, there's a very thin line between browning your meat and burning your meat. So here I've said you brown, not burn. What you're seeing right now is not burnt, it is browned. It is normal if you're trying to dry your meat. Okay, so I've added my coriander and my tomatoes. I'm now going to add in my Royco cube, and then you remember our ingredients, the other ingredients in the cup, we are going to add that too. Cover and then let them simmer. Remember, we are cooking under low heat, okay? Usichome chakula. I let them to simmer for a few minutes. This is how our liver looks. You like it, Anna? Now our liver is ready to be served.